Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Lion and Day, your English teacher. In today's lesson, we are going to see a tense, an English tense, which is called the past continuous. The past continuous. Ndabaramukije cyane. Uno munsi tugiye kubona umwanya w'icyongereza witwa past continuous. What is that? How do we conjugate the verb in that tense? Mbega verb tuyikonjuga gute muri uwo mwanya witwa past continuous? Bigenda gute? Mbega ubwa mbere nukumenya past continuous ni iki? Ni umwanya ukora gute? Past continuous ni umwanya ukora turiko turavuga ikintu cyabaye muri kahise ariko cyamaze umwanya utari muto, cyabandanije umwanya muremure. Hakurya mu kirundi ushobora kuvuga uti nariko ndiga. Murumva yuko kwiga ni ikintu kimara umwanya, ni ikintu cyabaye muri kahise ariko cyamaze umwanya. Nariko ndiga. Mu cyongereza uvuga uti I was studying. That is past continuous. So, I'm going to show you how to conjugate a verb in the past continuous. Ngiye kubereka ukuntu dukonjuga verb muri past continuous. First, we take the subject. The subject dufata sujet. Subjects murazizi nizi. Ni I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. I sigura jewe, tu wewe, he we, she we kumukobwa cyangwa umugore, it ikora ku gikoko cyangwa ikintu. Ari benshi muri pluriel ni we isigura ngo twebwe, no. You isigura ngo mwebwe, vous. They isigura bo cyangwa bobo. Il ou bien elle au pluriel. Iyo sujet niyo duca twongerako verbe. Mbega iyo verbe ibigenda gute? Tubanza gushirako verb to be iri muri past. Iyo nayo ni was canke were. Hama rero duheje gushirako was canke were, tugaca dushirako bya verbe rero tugaca tuyongerako ing. Aho tuba duhejeje gukonjuga verb runaka muri past continuous. Example, let's take the verb to go. To go. We put it in the past continuous. Tuca tuvuga tuti I, sujet, was, to be, going. I was going. Tuca dufata go tugaca tuyishirako ing. I was going. Bisigura ngo nariko ndagenda. I was going. Nariko ndagenda. You were going. Kuri you dukoresha were. Kuri you to be ichiba were. Apana words. Words iza gukora kuri I no kuri he canke she canke it. I was going. You were going. Wari kuragenda. He was going. Yari karagenda. She was going. Yari karagenda. It was going. Yariko iragenda. Imba ishobora kuba yari inka, cyangwa ishobora kuba yari imodoka, cyangwa ishobora kuba yari kinga. It was going. Cyangwa bigashobora kuba ari mu buryo impersonnel. We were going. Twariko turagenda. Kuri we dukoresha were. Kirazira kuvuga ngo we was. No. We were going. Twariko turagenda. You were going. Mwariko muragenda. Kuri you twama dukoresha were. you were going. Ariko you mwibuke ko hariho you isigura tu na you isigura vous. Aha rero ngeze kuri you isigura vous, mwebwe. You were going, mwariko muragenda. They were going, no kuri they dukoresha were. They were going, bariko baragenda. They were going to a meeting, bariko baja mu nama. They were going to a meeting, bariko baja mu nama. They were going to a rendezvous, bariko baja kuri rendezvous. They were going to a rendezvous. Good. That's how we conjugate a verb in the past continuous. Uko niko dukonjuga verb muri past continuous. Aho duhejeje konjuga verb to go muri past continuous. Murumva ko dufata subject tugace dushirako verb to be. Verb to be was canke were, hama tugace twongerako iyo verb tukayishirako ing. Good. Other examples, ubundi burorero hamwe n'ayandi dukoresheje ayandi mavuga. I was having lunch. I was having lunch. Nariko ndafungura ivya sasita. Lunch ni bifungurwa vya sasita. I was having lunch. Nariko ndafungura ivya sasita. You were taking a bus. You were taking a bus. Wariko urafata bus. You were taking a bus. She was coming to visit me. Yariko araza kundamutsa. She was coming. Aho nakoresheje verb to come. She was coming to visit me. Yariko araza kundamutsa. Visit ni kugendera umuntu. He was saying something. Aho nkoresheje verb to say. He was saying something. Yariko aravuga ikintu. Il était en train de dire quelque chose. He was saying something. Yariko aravuga ikintu. Something no kuvuga ngo quelque chose. Ubu naho dukoresha verb to make. To make signifie transformer, guhingura ikintu, gukora ikintu. Good. We were making chairs. We were making chairs. Twariko turakora intebe. We were making, to make. We were making chairs. Aho dukonjeza verb to make muri past continuous. Good. You were speaking Japanese. You were speaking Japanese. Mwariko muvuga ikiyapani. You were speaking Japanese. Mwariko muvuga le japonais. Mwariko muvuga ikiyapani. They were looking at me. They were looking at me. Bariko barandaba. They were looking at me. Good. Amoreje verb to look. To look signifie regarder. To look at nukuraba umuntu runaka canke ikintu runaka. Good. They were looking at me. Bariko barandaba. He was looking at her. Yariko aramuraba. Good. That's how we conjugate verbs in the past continuous. No kuvuga dufata verb, dufata subject, sujet, hama tukaca twongerako verb to be, auxiliary ni auxiliaire. Iyo verb to be tuyishira muri past, no kuvuga was canke were. Hama tukaca twongerako iyo verb batubwiye dukonjika tukayishirako ing. Good. Nabahaye uburorero. Ariko mwibuke kandi ko ayo masuje suje zishobora gusubirirwa n'izina ry'umuntu canke ry'ikintu. Nk'ubu nk'akarorero bashaka kuvuga uti imbwa yariko iraza. Ushobora kuvuga uti the dog was coming. The dog was coming. Imbwa yariko iraza. Urashobora gukoresha izina riri muri pluriel. Let's take the verb to do. Children were doing a homework. Children were doing a homework. Children ni abana benshi. Ari umwana umwe tuvuga a child. Tuvuga children beaucoup d'enfants, abana benshi. Children, abana, were, bariko, doing, barakora, a homework, bariko barakora, devoir à domicile. Children were doing a homework. Abana bariko barakora devoir à domicile. Nguko uko tubaka past continuous. Nimba mufise ikibazo down in the comment. Baza ikibazo hama ndabishura. Good. Bye bye. See you in the next lesson.